Hi there. In this quick video I will show you how you can run AWS Lambda locally with a TypeScript and how you can do it easily. If you will try to do it yourself, you could probably find something like this article, 50 Shades of Debugging AWS Lambda in Node.js. It's quite a nice article. It has a lot of techniques how you can do it. My favorite is technique number 1, when you can debug Lambda locally using plain old unit test. This is, I guess, the best technique because you don't have to install anything. Just a simple framework like Jest or maybe Vitest will be enough for you to debug the Lambda. But it doesn't allow you to run it like a server and call the function like in development mode. There are other, of course, techniques like AWS SAM. You have Merlock. There is no serverless in this article, but it's also nice company. What we have also? We have STS. We have SAMCLI, and so on. Like around 10 different options. There is even a scheme which tells you what you can use, but none of them are similar to what I will show you in this video and what we will have. For your convenience, we have here repository with also README file. Here you can just go step by step and you will do exactly what I will show you right now in the video. Okay, let's go to the implementation. I already pulled the repository. I installed all the packages. There are not much. We have just AWS Lambda, TypeScript, and Vite. Vite in our case will work like a Node.js package. It was Express, which works like a server, and it works with the help of some small configuration file. In this configuration file we say that we would like to run Vite on port 8080. We build a request, and then based on URL we just call our Lambda function. In our case I will show you today how we can create a post. So if somebody will try to hit this URL, we will call this function. And it's quite simple one, which just return us a message. Post is created successfully. Of course, if you would like to have something like a S3 bucket or, I don't know, like secret manager, whatever, from AWS, you will have to configure it, and it's done quite easily. You just need to install AWS CLI and configure it. It's quite easy. There are a lot of videos and tutorials how you can do it. In our case, we just do a simple Lambda. In order to debug it, all we need is just this script, which tells us dev Vite. And I have this configuration here, which I would like to show you. It's empty, there is nothing else. So all we need is just call this. We can, of course, run it, but I would like to debug it. When we start it, we will see such message. Server is running on localhost 8080, and let's see if we have a breakpoint or something. We have a breakpoint here, and we should have probably here. Okay, let's try to call the postman. So we have our URL 8080 v1 posts, and we have a small body. Let's try to send the request. Okay, it's perfect. We are already in a debug mode. We see our event, we see the body, and we can continue. Let's go inside. We do a console log. We can check that the event is coming, and we return 201 of 9. Coming back to our postman, and we see the response. So this is the way how you can run your Lambda in a TypeScript locally as a server. You can read the article, you can leave your comments, you can ask your questions in comments. For me, this is the first video on YouTube, so don't judge me too much. Okay, thank you guys for your time, and I hope this video will help you. See you. Bye bye.